shrimp's heart is present in its head, it seems. Can you see? Yes. So shrimp is what? It is nothing but it is same like royal eels, you know, that only. It is same like that only. So you can cook the curry of this also. So if your parent or mother or father is bringing this type of animals, you simply observe it that its heart is present in its head. Okay. See the pictures. So these all. See how they have prepared that Maggie by using shrimps only. Okay. So these are water animals. These all are present in the water. Okay. Then next, what is the second one, Nana? A snail can sleep for 3 years. How many years a snail can sleep? It seems it can sleep for 3 years. Which one? Which animal? Snail. What is the name of snail in Telugu? It is nothing but natta. So what is this? See this one? This is nothing but snail. So it will eat leaves, no, Nana. Where you can find this animal? This animal you can find mostly in farms or fields. So this will sleep at least up to 3 years, it seems. Okay, not 1 or 2 days or 1 year. It sleeps up to 3 years, it seems. Okay, it can damage your farm also. Understanding? The next one is what? Slugs have 4 noses. Means what? Slug is an animal which is having 4 noses. See the picture. This is nothing but slug. This also lives on the trees and grasses only. See the picture. So it's having 4 noses. You can find here. So this is an insect or an animal which is having 4 noses. Okay, it breathes through its 4 noses. So this is nothing but slug. Next one. And elephants are the only animals which cannot jump. Read again. Elephants are the only animals which cannot jump. See the picture, Nana. See the elephant. How big it is. So we can say that as it's having more weight, the animal cannot jump. This animal named elephant cannot jump because it is very heavy. Okay. Yes. The next one. Nearly 3% of ice in Antarctica is penguins' urine. So Antarctica region means what? Total ice will be there in this region. So which animals live in this region? The animals which are having fat skin can live in this region. See the picture how snowy it is. It's having total ice, no, Nana? So these type of animals which are having fat skin, they can live there. Like polar bear can live there, yak can live there, because their skin is more fat compared to the people or the animals living on the land. See the picture. So what these penguins will do? These penguins will urinate, no? The urine of the penguins is more, it seems, in this region. So 3% of urine is present, it seems, in this eyes. Okay, Nana, see the picture. See, these penguins will use its this one. See the picture icon I'm showing, no, on the screen. So this one they will use for swimming in the water. Okay, they will move only in groups only. See the picture how beautiful it is. See, this is one family of penguins. Okay, now next one. See, Nana, sixth one. A cow gives nearly 2 lakh glasses of milk in its lifetime. So, how many glasses of milk a cow can give? So, 2 lakh glasses it can give, it seems. So, see the picture of cow. Very beautiful, no, Nana? So, this is nothing but cows, which we can't find here on the roads. Okay, this is cow. See the picture. Yes, good. Next one. An ostrich eye is bigger than its brain. See, an ostrich is the biggest bird, no, Nana? Biggest bird, largest bird which cannot fly. Then why this ostrich cannot fly? This ostrich cannot fly because its bones are very heavy compared to that of the birds which can fly. So ostrich eye is bigger than its brain, it seems. Let's see how big it is. See the picture. So its brain is smaller than this eye. Okay, now this icon I'm showing. See this hand. Its brain is smaller than this, it seems. So this is the largest bird in the world. So this This animal, this bird will give the largest egg. Its egg is about 1.5 kg. So 1.5 kg the egg of an ostrich. Okay na? Nearly 100 omelets you can make from this one egg of the ostrich. Okay. Now let's go to the next one. Frogs cannot vomit. If they want to vomit, they vomit their total stomach. See the picture, Nana, these are nothing but the different types of frogs, which only we can see one or two types in your area, but these are all the different types. Like toads will be there. Toads are nothing but they give eggs and they will keep the eggs on their back and they will be moving in water. So whenever they hatch into small tadpoles. What is a baby of a frog called, Nana? Tadpole. You have to learn some GK questions also from this. See the picture, what I have said in this interesting fact, that if a frog wants to vomit, it will doesn't vomit. If it wants to vomit also, it has to vomit its total stomach. Stomach means what? What are there in stomach? Pegulu unnai kada, the total it will vomit it seems if it want to vomit. Okay. The next one. Ninth one. The ears of grasshopper are in its legs. Where is the ears of grasshopper? It's in, where are its ears? Ears are in its hind leg. See this picture. So this is nothing but the hind leg of a grasshopper. So here in this area, the ear of a grasshopper is present, it seems. Next one. A rhinoceros horn is made up of hair. See this picture, Nana. See this picture. See here. Its horn is looking like a bone. Yes or no? But it's not a bone. It seems this horn itself is made up of hair. Okay, na? See the picture. These are nothing but rhinoceros. You can also say it as rhino. Okay. We have learned 10 facts in this video. In next video I will tell you more interesting facts, and if you not have understood anything, you can ask me freely when you are having any doubt. Please message me to my WhatsApp number. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care.